A young fan from Shenyang angrily spent 100,000 yuan to buy this Audi R8, which he never dared to dream of back in the day. The young man said, "I can't afford a new car, but I can buy a second-hand one and fix it up to fulfill my sports car dream." So right after picking up the car, he came to our team to prepare this Audi R8. Once we started taking it apart, we were really shocked. This car has been repaired at least 7 or 8 times. Not only are the screws rusted tight, but the rivets on the rear cylinder are also not fixed. The front frame is completely damaged, the wiring harness is in terrible condition, and the chassis is severely rusted. The main issue is the engine, which has serious oil and water leaks, and the inside is so black it could hide a high-ranking official. The cylinder and piston damage couldn't be avoided, and even the crankshaft got scratched. The young man had one word for it: fierce. As long as I can fulfill my sports car dream, I don't mind spending a few more tens of thousands. This time, I want to live for myself. Next, watch how we turn scrap into treasure and fulfill the young man's sports car dream. Let's get started.
The inside of the engine is severely blackened.
The 7 doors are covered with metal debris. The jar fragments have already been ground and splashed. The jar fragments are quite severely worn. Pull up all the pistons. Pull up all the pieces. Engine disassembly complete. Million level CNC numerical control Tangang model. Next, you need to watch carefully so you can fix magic in the future. Install the driver. Install the existing controller.
Main shaft oil lubrication. Install the crankshaft. Apply adhesive to the crankshaft bearing seat.
Dual axis torque wrench. Dual axis torque for tightening key screws.
Install the large oil top. Install the Joe New Lee tightening tool.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos.
During the official installation. Official cover knock. Spraying plug oxygen protectant. Will your tendons strengthen? Are you satisfied with the repair results? Finally, can you guess how much these repairs cost in total? Feel free to leave your comments and see you next time. How high is the temperature of a Mercedes engine? A boss from Xi'an brought in a Mercedes C200 that consumes 20 steamed buns per 100 kilometers. After only 3 years and 120,000 kilometers, the car now has high temperatures, water in the cylinder block, and the engine almost scrapped. The boss is anxious to run his business and has given 5 days to restore this engine. Let's get to work. The steel cylinder has completely lost its original state, and the steel cover is deformed. Repair the steel cylinder and steel cover, and clean and maintain all other components.
There aren't many damaged parts, so it's quite convenient. Prepare the new parts and start the installation.
So database retrieves the original factory data and uses the same dual-axis torque machine as the OEM to apply precise torque.
Before assembling the piston ring, test the gap with the steel cylinder again to confirm there is no any
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos.
All seals and gaskets have been replaced.
The temperature has dropped suddenly, so while keeping warm, please also pay attention to safety when using your car. Regularly check the oil and water to prevent the engine from overheating.